Renault wants this Koleos Black Edition to turn heads, adding it to the middle of the four-strong lineup for customers who want a statement piece. In its signature black hue, with some subtle but stylish details such as the French flag on the B-pillars and aluminium running boards, the limited edition Koleos offers a classy and more aesthetically pleasing silhouette to what is otherwise a Nissan X-Trail underneath, powered by the same 2.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine paired with an identical automatic continuously variable transmission. The 2022 Renault Koleos lineup consists of 4 grades: Life, Zen, with the mid-range Black Edition nestled between the Zen and Intens. Pricing for the range currently starts from $38,246 for the Life, with the Zen commanding $42,151 and Intens asking $48,920 and $51,212 respectively. Meanwhile, the limited-run Black Edition costs $42,000. Oddly, this edition somehow costs less than its lesser-spec Zen sibling, albeit only by $151, bucking the trend of limited-time-only cars commanding a higher premium on account of their exclusivity and extra accoutrements. As of July 1st this year, however, Renault will increase the cost of its entire vehicle range, so it's worth checking our pricing story for the latest information. Meanwhile, drive-away pricing for segment rivals varies. It's in the ballpark cost of its rivals, but more popular models cost more for similar. As standard, the Black Edition gets 19-inch dark gray alloys, an 8.7-inch portrait infotainment touchscreen, Arkamys 3D sound system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, sat-nav, hands-free keycard, engine start button, automatic walk-away door locking, powered tailgate, 17-inch spare wheel, electrically adjusted driver's seat with electric lumbar support, reclining rear seats, dual-zone climate control, heated and cooled front cup holder and rear privacy glass. Metallic paint is also standard on the Black Edition. Ours was black, but you can opt for gray or white free of charge. Red is also available as the standard color on other grades, where white, gray and black all cost $800 extra. To set the limited edition Koleos apart from its regular look, the Black Edition gets gloss black roof rails and mirrors, dark gray front and rear skid plates. As mentioned earlier, the aesthetics of the Black Edition are really where this car excels, and nowhere is that truer than in its interior. The look and feel of the fabrics in the cabin are of reasonably high quality, though not to the degree you'd be able to call them premium or luxury, and the contrast yellow stitching is striking. There are still a few hard plastics to be found, and the black leatherette found on the seats, trimming the center console and on the dash, though doing its best, is still trying to be something it's not. Visibility is good too, though we would have loved the electrically operated panoramic sunroof available on the Intens, and the rear windows benefit from privacy glass as standard. The heated front seats themselves are comfortable, and, thanks to the electronic toggles on the side, the driver's position can be easily altered to find the perfect setup. Sadly, no such luck for the front passenger. What can't be adjusted, and did in fact cause us quite a degree of discomfort during our time with the car, was the pedal position. When braking or accelerating, the right foot has to be bent harshly upwards to accommodate it, leading to strain on the top of the foot and ankle. No amount of shifting the seat adjustment seemed to make any difference, and that would be a real gripe for long-term ownership in our minds. The 2022 Renault Koleos lineup is powered by just the 2.5-liter 4-cylinder petrol engine with an automatic continuously variable transmission, the same setup found in the Nissan X-Trail range. While all grades utilize the 2.5-liter donk and CVT, only the top-spec Intens 4x4 gets all-wheel drive, while all others, including the Black Edition, are driven by the front wheels. The engine makes 126 kilowatts and 233 Nm, not quick, but it's not underpowered either. While the acceleration is a bit of a non-event, the Kumo Krudgen tires can create their own unwanted drama, sometimes struggling for grip on a tight turn taken at speeds as low as 40 km/h. It can sound like you're driving the getaway car for a bank job, which is at odds with the otherwise fairly relaxing driving experience.